Welcome to Château de la Riviera, one of the Gold Coast's most extraordinary waterfront estates, a landmark residence where timeless European elegance meets modern indulgence. Set on an exceptionally rare 4,100 square metre north-facing main river allotment, with an impressive 36 metres of absolute water frontage, this French Provincial masterpiece delivers a level of scale, craftsmanship, and presence seldom seen. Beyond the grand wrought-iron gates, a sweeping driveway leads to a striking symmetrical facade, anchored by a dramatic 7-metre arched glass and iron entry. Inside, a breathtaking double-height foyer sets the tone, where domed ceilings, honed marble floors, and a sculptural staircase introduce interiors of remarkable refinement. Spanning over 1,900 square metres internally, the home balances classical detail with contemporary sophistication. Ornate plasterwork, hand-painted joinery, imported wallpapers, and bespoke lighting are complemented by natural marble, herringbone timber floors, and flawless finishes throughout. Designed for both grand entertaining and effortless everyday living, the residence unfolds through formal lounge and dining rooms, a Parisian-style cocktail bar, wine cellar, and multiple living rooms, all warmed by marble-clad fireplaces. At the heart of the home, the gourmet kitchen and butler's pantry connect seamlessly to the outdoors. French doors open to a series of elegant alfresco pavilions, manicured lawns, and a heated freshwater pool with a pillared cabana, delivering a true resort-style experience. Accommodation is equally impressive, with 6 oversized bedroom suites, each individually styled with marble en-suites. With an executive office, multiple garages, state-of-the-art home automation, and absolute privacy, Château de la Riviera is more than a residence. It's a statement of distinction. Rare, refined, and undeniably one of the Gold Coast's finest waterfront estates.